Have you ever wondered why? Despite running endlessly in the pursuit of happiness, true peace remains out of reach. Look around you. The world is caught in a cyclical never-ending race. A race to earn more, achieve more, possess more. We chase desires like shadows, only to find them slipping through our fingers. But where does this path lead? Have you ever stopped to question, what is it all for? The ancient wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita speaks of three kinds of people: those who act only for selfish gain, those who act with duty, and those who act without attachment, free from the grip of desire. Which one are you? Most live trapped in the first state, driven by endless wants. They believe that happiness lies in the next promotion, the next relationship, the next goal. But as soon as they achieve it, a new hunger arises, and so they remain slaves to their own desires. But there is another way, a way known only to those who dare to seek. The way of the one who is unmoved by pleasure or pain, success or failure. The one who acts, not out of greed, but out of wisdom. This is the one who is truly free. The greatest illusion of life is that something outside of us will complete us. But understand this, everything that can be taken from you was never truly yours to begin with. Money, fame, even relationships. These are borrowed from time itself, and time takes back everything. So what remains? Only one thing: your own state of mind. Those who master their minds master the world. Those who are controlled by their minds remain forever lost. But how do we master the mind? It begins with awareness. The mind is like a storm. Thoughts rise and fall like waves. But you are not the storm. You are the sky, watching it pass. The more you detach from your thoughts, the less power they have over you. Desire will always whisper. It will say, you need more, you need better. But the wise one smiles, because he knows the game. He does not reject the world, nor does he cling to it. He acts, but remains untouched. And in this, he discovers something rare. Something that no amount of money or power can buy. Stillness, clarity, liberation. The world will tell you work harder, chase more, fight for your place. But the question is, what are you truly working towards? If your life is just a series of achievements, what happens when you reach the end? Will you look back and say, I lived? Or will you realize, you were simply running, never knowing why? The wisest ones do not reject life, nor do they chase it. They walk through it fully present, acting with purpose, but free from its grip. They are like the lotus untouched by the waters around them. You are not here to chase. You are not here to run. You are here to awaken, and only when you let go do you truly begin to live. But does this mean you should abandon all ambition? Leave everything behind and sit in silence? No. True wisdom is not about running away from life. It is about living fully, but without attachment. Most people confuse detachment with disinterest. They believe that to be detached means to stop caring. But detachment is not about avoiding life. It is about engaging with life completely without being enslaved by its ups and downs. Imagine walking through a garden filled with beautiful flowers. A man controlled by desire will pluck them, fearing that if he does not own them, he will lose their beauty. But the wise one, he walks, he admires, he appreciates, but he does not cling. He knows that the flowers belong to the garden, just as everything in life belongs to time. Possession is an illusion. The tighter you hold on, the more life slips through your fingers. So, does this mean one should not work hard? That ambition is meaningless? No. Even the Bhagavad Gita teaches, you have the right to work, but never to the fruits of your work. The greatest leaders, the most brilliant minds, were not slaves to results. They acted, but they did not beg for rewards. They pursued excellence, but they did not fear failure. Because failure and success are just two sides of the same coin. They come and go, but the one who remains untouched by either, he is truly free. Freedom is not about avoiding pain, it is about rising above it. Most people live like puppets controlled by external forces. A word of praise lifts them up. A word of criticism crushes them down. Their happiness is borrowed from others. But think, what if no one's words had power over you? What if you could live in a way where neither insults nor compliments could shake you? What if your joy came not from possessions, but from within? This is not some distant dream. This is the state of one who is truly awake. But how do we reach such a state? It begins with self-inquiry. Ask yourself, what is it that truly lasts? Is it wealth? Is it reputation? Is it even the body you inhabit? Everything you see now will one day return to dust. Everything you hold dear will one day be beyond your reach. But something remains, that which watches, that which is beyond thoughts, beyond desires, beyond fear. That is who you are. Life is a game. Most people are so caught up in it, they forget they are the player, not the pieces. Those who wake up, those who realize this truth, no longer live in fear. They no longer act for temporary gain. They act because action itself is their purpose. You have spent your life searching for something, running toward it, believing that one day you will arrive. But what if the answer was never ahead of you? What if it was always within you? Let go. Stop chasing. Stop running. Breathe. Be still. Because the moment you stop searching for peace outside is the moment you realize it was always inside you. The one who conquers himself is greater than the one who conquers 1,000 men in battle.